Usually you can find some good deals, people at church selling it. You might find it on Facebook Marketplace. You know, a loved one might have passed away and they just want to get rid of it. So buying a scooter compared to a power chair is two different things, just so you know. But that's probably why you would buy it. You sometimes get a good price on a really nice scooter. If you want to get around your property, you're probably going to want more of a larger scooter with a higher ground clearance, with a little bit stronger motor, usually 4 wheels. Sometimes the really good outdoor scooters don't disassemble if it's a primary used outside. But then say, no, I want something just to go to the grocery store with. Well, then you might like just a small 3-wheel scooter, because the 3-wheel allows you to maneuver a little bit better. As long as your balance is good and you can use the swivel seat to get on and off of it, you should be fine on that. But the smaller travel scooters tend to disassemble, and you maybe put it in your car so you don't have to buy a lift. But if you have a lift, that kind of opens up your broad range of scooters to choose from. Make sure you know what you want. Like if you want something just for outside, or if you want something just for travel. If you want to try to get in between, there's scooters in between that tend to be a little bit more heavier but can be used outside and can be used for travel. Let's say you contact the person, asked you if you need it at church, or you're looking for one on Facebook Marketplace and you see the make and model. Usually they'll have the descriptions in there. Look it up and see what it is, see what the value is at the current market price. You can figure out, look at the reviews by searching it, researching it. When you're looking at a used scooter, if you go to someone's house or you meet them somewhere and it looks like it's brand new, you can look at the tire tread, you can look at the unit. Usually you can tell if something's been taken care of or not taken care of. If you see a lot of rust, tires are worn out real bad, it's real dirty, broken shrouds, I would probably stay away from it. But if it looks real clean but it just doesn't turn on, 90% of the time, maybe even higher, it's just the battery replacement. So the batteries will determine on what size batteries they are, and you would have to go to your local battery shop or look online at what batteries it might take. Well, it really is going to depend on a lot of different things. As long as you can get parts for it, it's not discontinued. So what I would tell you, yes, you're probably going to want to do a little bit of research. If you can't do the research, then you just can't do the research. You get batteries in, it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Or you can take it into a local provider like us. Bring it to us, we can look at it and tell you what you need, or you can call us, tell us the make and model. We can help sometimes do the research. It might even be you might want to buy a new mobility scooter because of the warranty, the insurance you're going to get, the dealer network that you're going to get, and you know that the parts are going to be in stock for 5 to 10 years if it's a new scooter, if not longer. Because you do see a lot of manufacturers either going out of business, like Rascal Mobility. I would stay away from that because they've gone out of business a long time ago, and parts are hard to get, or limited parts. And if you're in the market of a new scooter but you just can't afford it, or you think you can't afford it, we have finance available on our website. But you might find that you can get a new scooter, maybe sometimes even at the price you're going to buy a used scooter from someone. Depending on what they paid for it, they think it might be worth more value than it really is.